Assalamualaikum grade 10. Hopefully you all will be enjoying your good health. Today date is 7th September 2020. It's my 45th lecture and day is Monday. We are doing unit number 7 little by little one walks far. And today I will discuss about the question answers of this unit. See, answer the following questions. It's given on page number 84. What are some distinctions of the writer? Distinctions means the differences of the other, यानी दूसरों से जो इसकी नुमाया खुसूसियात कौन सी हैं, क्या फ़र्क है दूसरों में और राइटर में. How has the writer spent his summer vacations? I have discussed how he spent summer vacations. He do several jobs. What has he gained from his summer job experiences? How are these experiences helpful to him in future? What kind of student is the writer? Which of his qualities impress you? So these are the 5 questions given in your book exercise. Just see the answers. What are some distinctions of the writer? Answer is the writer was a well-rounded student. He received many awards like Quaid-e-Azam Badge in Scouting, Academic Excellence Award, Inter-District Declamation Contest. So he has gained award in these competitions. Next is he was also the winner of essay writing competition. He also participated in many other contests and won many prizes. He is a very wise, ambitious and hardworking person who thinks and acts differently. So these are the differences given in this chapter. Question number 2. How has the writer spent his summer vacation? The writer has spent his summer vacation by doing different jobs. His first job was at English Language Center and second job was at McDonald's. He also did job at DK Academy. These jobs helped him financially in a boarding school. Question number 3. What has he gained from his summer job experiences? The writers did different jobs during summer vacations. This helped him financially and made him understand the importance of independence and responsibility. These jobs made him more mature and responsible and also prepare him for his future. Question number 4. How are these experiences helpful to him in his future? These experiences prepared him mentally and financially. It helped him to be more confident. These experiences made him ready to face the challenges of future eagerly and confidently. He is not afraid of future, but he is anxiously waiting for it. Question number 5. What kind of student is the writer? Which of his qualities impress you? The writer is a well-rounded student. He participates in academic and co-curricular activities. He also got many prizes in different contests. He did different jobs during his summer vacation. He is intelligent and confident. He is not afraid of future but is anxiously waiting for it. He is wise, mature, responsible, independent, ambitious and a hard-working student. All of these qualities are already discussed and all of the questions I have discussed while I was reading the unit. I hope you have understand it fully. It is your home task. You have to do this work on your neat notebook. Allah Hafiz class.